why cloning attacks are a real danger in the future. I work in the field of AI and machine learning, and I've watched some of the recent developments. So what we can now do is we can create artificial voices, and I've recently done a video on this, how AIs can now clone your voice. So there's a Chinese company called Baidu, and they just need a snippet of your voice to then clone this. I've also written about creating artificial images. So we can now create fake people, but we can also clone my face. And if you then combine those and combine this ability to actually create video content of someone, what would be possible in the future is that I listen to your voice, I record a bit of your video, take some of your pictures, and then use artificial intelligence to put all of this together and create an artificial you. And what is tricky is that these technologies are evolving so fast that our brain finds it really difficult. So simply understanding or differentiating between a voice of a real person and an artificial generated voice is almost impossible. So for me, this has real implications, not only bigger security implications if you can now clone someone like the US president and put videos out there of that person saying things, and you look at them and you listen to their voice and our brains think this is actually the real person, and we then spread this on social media. That has real implications, I think. But it could also happen in our personal life. Someone could do this to us and put video content out that says we would be seen as saying things we don't actually, or we're not actually are saying. The other thing is, it has security concerns for me. So companies or banks like HSBC now use voice passwords. So if I want to access a bank account, you say my voice is my password. If the voice can be cloned, again, this has real implications for all of this. So what I believe we need to do is we need to be aware of this and actually enter those discussions. What does this mean? What is the potential danger? I don't know whether you've seen some of the discussions around Scarlett Johansson, for example. What basically happened is someone took her face and put this on a porn actor's face. So there was a, a video being generated that looked like she was in this adult movie. And again, this has, for me, this is all pretty scary, and what we need to do is we need to actually teach our children that this is a potential danger. They need to be able to distinguish where information is coming from. We need to put systems in place, especially across social media platforms, to identify potentially fake news before they start spreading. So clone attacks is something that should be on the radar for everyone. It's something I'm concerned about, and hopefully you will now start being concerned about it too. If you would like to learn more, head to my website at bernardmar.com, where you can find tons of articles, white papers and videos that will give you a lot more insights into real-world case studies and examples.